Exactly. I've been able to access some information, mainly about crooked politicians, corrupt agencies of law enforcement, judges, and some very interesting real estate purchases made 30 years ago under an alias that doesn't exist. I managed to secure the property except for one building, a clinic owned by a pimpy-ass preacher. That's as far as I've been able to get with it, but I know it's bigger. I know there's more.
What the ASA want with property in the heart of the ghetto?
That's what I need you to find out. And most importantly, what does all this have to do with metas? I need to get past this firewall. I want all information before I move the way that I need to. Is the problem? Keep making all that damn noise. I'm gonna throw your smart black ass out the window.
I'm sorry. I did it.
Did what?
I broke the code. I get past the briefcase's firewall. Look. All right, now look. So these are the pod kids.
Wow. The first shall be last and the last shall be first. This is good.
Yeah, but it only gets better.
Better?
So remember we were wondering why this clinic, why the ASA was so interested in it 30 years ago? It's where they were giving the original vaccinations to the kids of Freeland. It's the first piece of property the ASA bought. Rep Holt took over it after they stopped the first experiments.
Your thick lips ain't making sense, Todd. Okay, what the hell is MOD?
Masters of Disaster. Super metas. There are 4 metas here. All right, these are old ASA experiment lines. These are their vitals. Now, the clinic, of course, has been remodeled since then, so I can't pinpoint exactly where they are, but they're here. So what now?
Now it all begins.
So according to the briefcase, this correlates in time with a meta-human research program held at
Leavenworth. Then the ASA took their successful subjects.
Yeah, well, those subjects were blacked out operatives for a time, but they committed atrocities.
Which never came out. They couldn't have had a vaccine scandal and war crimes.
Fingerprints are a match. Those Leavenworth subjects turned covert assets. They're the exact same people inside those piles we took out of that clinic basement.
Perfect.
Are you sure about this? I mean, before they were metas, these were convicted murderers. Homicidal psychopaths. Like the worst of the worst.
How soon before you get these cans open?
Actually, I have no idea.
So did Dr. Jace give us a way to wake up these human popsicles?
She did. It's the serum that brings them out of their stasis.
One syringe. Not enough to bring them all out, so she's still of use to me. The woman is smart, I'll give her that. What are these watches for?
The prison matters are controlled by the briefcase, so Dr. Jace came up with another way to keep them in line. They have implants in their brainstems. The watches enable them.
I'll give those evil child-snatching bastards one thing. They've got great taste in watches.
3, 2, 1.
Calm down, ladies.
Let them up. Darryl.
All right, Jen, come on up. The main generator's over here.
That's crazy.
Do you think you can control your powers well enough to create small blasts? Hit it on both sides at the same time. But not too hard, or you'll destroy the generator behind the ice.
I got it.
Hit it again. Harder. One more time, just like that. Oh yeah? Y'all ass is mine.
gun, bitch Cyclops, ayy. Wonder Woman on name might watch, ayy. I got my heat, I feel like he